completed our first 30-day restoration seminar. For those of you who have never visited our training center, it can be confusing what exactly we do. So here is a brief explanation. We have two primary goals: to instruct in sustainable agriculture and to train up and send out missionaries. We have different training options: a 5-day workshop, a 30-day restoration seminar, and longer-term internship opportunities. While our content differs from Thrive for Good in Kenya, our training model is very similar. They have proven this concept as a means for producing movements instead of projects. Movements that multiply exponentially. Currently, they have 5,145 active community garden projects. Our organization is just beginning, so we have 6 active community garden projects. But this is how it works. We start developing a relationship with the village, introducing ourselves to the chief. Then, through multiple visits to the village, as well as recommendations from the chief, 2 champions, or what we call world changers, are selected from their village to attend our 30-day restoration seminar. During the 30-day training, students live on our campus. It is a full emergence experience. Students are assigned garden beds to maintain during the 30 days. Every day there are practical hands-on lessons as well as PowerPoint in-class lessons. We have 70 lessons in all, 70 lessons for the nations. Lessons cover the areas of organic gardening and food security, nutrition and wellness, sustainability, entrepreneurship, and Bible and missionary training. Upon completion, the graduating students are commissioned and sent back to their villages by twos. That way, the village is receiving the testimony of 2 witnesses when they return. Once they return, they have the assignment of establishing a village committee. Appoint committee members into each of the different required areas and to motivate the village into coming together to obtain property for the purpose of community gardens. On this property, once they have 2 5x20 garden beds planted, 10 sacks planted, and 1 keyhole garden planted, then our team will go to that village and conduct a 5-day workshop with those key village committee members. Tools and seeds are given to the community, and on the final evening, we show the Jesus film. Many people in the village become believers in Yeshua Messiah, and a fellowship congregation is started in that village. Our trainers in these villages then proceed to witness to their neighboring villages, and the process begins again with all of the villages around each of our trainers. This is a proven model that transforms villages, multiplying the impact until a movement takes over a nation. Thrive has their current 5,145 active community garden projects, and Vintage Skills International is on our way now with our first 6 active community garden projects. Here are some testimonials from the students who attended our first 30-day restoration seminar.
We learn about plastic. How for you to
the swale method, we can rest assured that when we get enough of water, when the rain falls, just stays here and sit slowly in the ground.
Good afternoon. I'm student Marika J.K. Moruba from Venture Skill, Liberia. I'm proud to be part of this institution for what I learned for the past month, and I just want to say thanks. I learned about the compost.
Yeah, this is a PO garden. Yeah. PO garden is another type of
Together, one topic called keeping the Sabbath. And in keeping the Sabbath, we learn about the 4th of the 10th commandment, which is keeping the Sabbath. And
Good afternoon. My name is Dorothy Mani. I deal with Satan.
facilitate Abadan this community. I want to be very grateful to all my people.
Good morning. I am Constanta Gion from Blood Diala. I came here to learn more about gold digging. And I'm grateful to the Lord. Thanking my Father.
Against the wall, no one can. We learn that he that teaches others to disobey will be the least. He that teaches others to obey will be the greatest. And we are celebrating that. Oh Father, we thank you for the post-identity Christ.
Thank you for joining us in prayer, in donating funding to continue this work, and even considering participating in an overseas internship. May Yahavah bless you and keep you. Bye for now.